Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Genshin Impact on your phone, which gives you unlimited Primogems. So keep watching the video and I'll show you exactly how to download it. It actually works and it's super crazy. So if you like to play Genshin Impact, then you probably wouldn't mind a modded version of the game, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download in this video. Just keep watching. It's going to work for you. Basically, all you have to do in Genshin Impact ++ is to simply type your desired amount of Primogems. You can type any amount of Primogems you want to get, just go ahead and type it and make sure it is turned on like this. Now, when you go ahead and simply hold this next button, it should send it to your account. After finishing, open your account, and as you can see, the exact amount of Primogems you typed just loaded up. It is super easy, and I have had zero problems with it whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get Genshin Impact ++. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.